Reviews of the OUKITEL 5G unlocked rugged smartphone have been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising its durability, battery life, and performance. Whether it's the OUKITEL WP15 with its monstrous 15,600 mAh battery or the WP10 with its sleek 6.67-inch display, these devices are built for extreme conditions. Many reviewers highlight their water, dust, and shock resistance, making them perfect for adventurers, construction workers, or anyone needing a tough phone. Users love the 48MP camera setup, which captures crisp and detailed shots even in challenging environments. With global 5G support, these phones ensure you stay connected wherever you go. Detail about connectivity and other features makes these devices stand out in the rugged smartphone market. The WP15 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, while the WP10 runs on the Dimensity 800, both offering solid performance for multitasking and gaming. Both models include 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, ensuring smooth operation. The massive batteries support fast charging, so you don't have to worry about running out of juice. With IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD810G certifications, these phones can survive drops, water immersion, and even extreme temperatures. Price-wise, OUKITEL has managed to keep these devices relatively affordable compared to other rugged 5G smartphones. The WP15 typically retails around $400 to $500, while the WP10 can be found for approximately $350 to $450, depending on discounts and promotions. For the price, you're getting a phone that can handle the toughest environments while providing solid performance and long battery life. When compared to mainstream flagship phones, these may not have the highest resolution displays or the most premium designs, but they excel in durability and battery endurance, making them worth the investment. Performance is where these rugged beasts truly shine. Whether you're streaming videos, using GPS navigation in remote areas, or playing games, the WP15 and WP10 deliver consistent performance. Their 5G capabilities ensure blazing fast downloads and seamless online experiences. The WP15's massive battery can last days on a single charge, making it perfect for those who are constantly on the move. The cameras, while not on par with flagship devices, still deliver decent shots with AI enhancements. If you need a reliable workhorse for extreme environments, these OUKITEL models won't disappoint. Leaks and rumors suggest that OUKITEL might be working on even more powerful rugged smartphones in the future, possibly featuring improved cameras and upgraded chipsets. If you're considering buying one of these devices, now is a great time to do so, as they offer excellent value for money. If you want to see these phones in action, be sure to check out our full reviews on Tech Vibe, where we put them through extreme durability tests. Let us know in the comments if you'd pick the WP15 or WP10, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.